Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Paula'S Choice Omega Complex Cleansing Balm. So before you handle your face, you always want to wash your hands first. Make sure your hands are, clean before touching your face, because you don't want to, spread germs, touch and infect your face. So what you want to do, and I've actually washed my hands off camera. So what you want to do is to go in with the cleansing balm, and this is, I'm doing like this because I've nearly run out of it. I've been using it lately because it's currently like winter and my skin is really loving it. So this is what it looks like. I'll just take that amount, and what you want to do is to massage it a bit in your palm, sort of like warm it up. And then going on dry skin, what you want to do is just to go on this way, massage it on your entire face, and of course not forgetting your neck. You want to take as much as 60 seconds to massage this onto the face. Just take your time, massage it like I'm doing so. That way all the dirt, and if you have makeup, potentially it gets to melt off. So dead skin cells, pollution, everything gets to melt off the skin. And not only that, you get to give yourself some massage. So at this point, the next step you want to do is to go in with a bit of water, like so. So touch a bit of water on your face and then go back in. So can you see that it has turned milky? So basically it emulsifies. Yes, so it turns milky, making it even easier to, take off dirt, makeup, or whatever you have on your face. So this has turned milky, and I'll further take my time to massage this into the skin, and that's what you want to do. So soothing. This is very, very refreshing. So at this point, I'm going to go on and rinse this off my face. So that's what you want to do. But if whilst massaging your face you feel like it's drying up, still going with some water. The more water you use, the more it emulsifies. So that's basically what you want to do. Now it's time to rinse it off. So you want to rinse your face off with lukewarm water, not hot water. At this point, I'm done washing my face. So if you have makeup on your face and you've used this as your first cleanser, you can go on to use it again as your second cleanser after rinsing it the first time. And so after that, what you want to do is to proceed with your other skincare products, like your toners, your serums, your essence, anything you have. This is the point where you want to apply it. What do I think about this cleanser? This cleanser is really amazing. Like I said, I've nearly run out of it. I've been using it, practically almost every single day, to be honest. And I like how it's takes off sunscreen and sometimes makeup off my face. Like before, in the past, I could never use cleansing balms all by itself, but now, because of how dry the weather is, I use this alone and it does the job. It cleanses my face very well without leaving the face dry. So if you have dry skin, flaky skin, or like you're struggling with your skin, I would advise that you can use this. This is really amazing. This is really good, especially if you have dry skin. But if you have oily skin, you could use this as a first cleanser before you use your foaming cleanser. Or if you have really you have lots of makeup on your face, you can also use this as a first cleanser. But at the moment, I use this as the only cleanser. But in the summertime, I may just use this as a pre-cleanser. So I'll use it first before using my foaming cleanser, because I've got oily skin. But like I said, at this moment the weather is drying, so I use this all by itself. So yes, as it says here, it's for all skin types as well, and it melts makeup and sunscreen and impurities, and it rinses off for a soft hydrated skin. I absolutely agree with that. So yes, that has to be for this cleanser. And remember, once again, I used it on dry face. So you want to use it on dry face, then you emulsify it in water, and trust me, it rinses off well. It doesn't leave any residues of like grease or oiliness. It's just simply amazing. So yes, with all that being said, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried this? Are you planning to try it? If you've given it a shot, let me know what you think. And yes, this is actually one of my favorite cleansing balms. So with all that being said, I'm gonna have to catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching, and bye.